count together. 1, 2, 3. One red shark swam near the sun, shining bright, having fun. Count with me, it said once more. 1, 2, 3, and then they 4. Two sharks dancing in orange light, orange sharks glowing oh so bright. They counted loudly in a fun mix. 5 and 6. Click, click, click. 3 little sharks in yellow shine. Yellow shark said, let's count to 9. 7, 8, 9, they sang with glee, wiggling fins so happily. 4 little sharks in water so clean, green waves sparkle all serene. 10 and 11, they swam some more, counting numbers to explore. 5 little sharks in purple glow, purple shark moved soft and slow. 12, 13, 14, 15, they cried, splashing colors far and wide. 5 little sharks in pink so bright, pink shark danced in happy light. 16, 17, 18, they cried, splashing colors far and wide. All 5 sharks swam side by side, counting numbers with big pride. 19 and 20, they cheered so loud, making their ocean family proud. Red and orange, yellow and green, purple and pink, what a colorful scene. Counting is fun when friends all play.